in reng in chibai ka book cheu voisun hi ni som ni pani April ani a thoding bek anei no lein voisun hin thil I mani chidang deu an no le ka video dang hai ang no dewin relationship ting pang hung silve kanuma takachun topic ka hung thang chu how to overcome breakup hi intinam overcome the ta intinam I ngai zong hai le an no le ai nu mei ai pasal hai le ein che hin intinam kha harsat na ain thok kha breakup ain thok khan intinam move on thei ta intinam mating pe fe ngai ta intinam overcome thei ta ti kha voiceuna a topic ding ani a hingang chanchin vel hi Hmar lai hin a bigin Hmar lai hin shil hi a hlo bek ngai ka shi ta chu le chun hi shi ta poimo ka ti ma naw pangtin la clay roll in ngai zong hai dam an no len ngak lang ban in ngai zong hai dam an huin ngai zong an huin chen no ka chen tam tak chu vai hai lem chu mani shing na chen la mani le mani in that top dam an uma hi in shil shi thi apoimo ma intinam hi har sat na intinam relationship breakup in thoka harsat na lungril na hi intinam overcome thei ta intinam mating pan thei ta the intinam thei nil thei ta ti hi ai shit apoimo adm overcome thei dan in shil shi thi apoimo ma chu voisun hin ai hung shil tum ding ani relationship expert kanino chulai jing chun ka ton shi ta in thok an no le en hai ka le khabutim hai an no le article ka team hai in thoka le ke in ke experience in thoka I ka hung shielding ani chulai chun relationship expert hai ang chun shil team care no kata amiruok chu point pakhat pahni bek ka mi pakhat bekin I mai ti ding an lo tangkai pui thei na tingin hi ka hungsil ve ding ani how to overcome heartbreak how to overcome breakup point number 1 ding chun take your time nang le nang kha in ngai poi mo masaro mo I hun kha nang le nang in pe masaro poimo masat tak chu nang kha hi poimo take your time to reflect your past life take your time to reflect your relationship to reflect chun memories highlight komin ikudam asodel thei inum chun chap hom la I thei patop inum chun chap la kek la mo I thei top in chap ro poi chak no kha ngai hung chap hom kan I hung relax lem ding ani nang kha mo I lungril kha a hung in hoi lem ding a hung zang sot ding chulei chun take your time to reflect your past life take your time to reflect your relationship and then if you feel like cry as much as you can chulei chun inung tokin chap la a poi chak no kha in hoi ti lem ding ani chun point number 2 ading chun cut off contact in chat tak inu mani chun a phone number delete la social media in connect na po kha cut off mo Instagram ilaw follow ni chun chu unfollow la or block to ro account kha chungam char chun Facebook communication la in tak lengati asan tu antak zi tu kay kom ka street samo ka experience sa di lai ka kum tam tak anno le thatam tak ai lawin thok pui ta khanga ni tin zan tin mo good morning message good night message khang ni tin zan tina ai law dong lak kha ahung tano ding lai khan intak kleng ata amiruok contact ka cut off no chun chu in che tak ding ana in thei gil an tak ding ana chu le chun cut off contact I move on tak nu man chun chu kind of contact nodding. Next point number 3, take a new hobby. New hobby zuktin la I hobby ka focus ro. For example, kay chu ka hobby chu lasak daman niya katading chun chance cha ma chu ang char chun nang kom I hobby kan music enjoy ni chun chu music ka focus la lasak enjoy ni chun chu lasak ka focus la painting anole dance anole imitating gardening parte hun sim ti dam khai jing ti dam anole jima fe mo hobby lo nei takha focus thar la chun ahung thui ding chen. It will help you to forget your ex. It will help you to move on from your ex. And so it's always good to focus on our hobby, and it's always good to find a new hobby and enjoy yourself and enjoy your own vibe. Next point is pamper yourself. Point number 4. Nang le nang indut la inuman le iten chu munda nga ramda nga state da nga inzin sukla anno le ifak num zong dam order la restaurant na dam fe sukla idu zong fala ina kom ni sin lai khai kom ni sin lai idu zong fak ding sim la idon num zong don la nang le nang windut la asan chu ai mangai masak apoy mo ma hi relationship breakup overcome na ding him chulai chun nang le nang indut hedan kong chitin rengin indut la imitating skincare hairstyle dam hungkhen kul vela hair color dam hungkhen kul la makeup dam mo hungna la nang le nang indut ro chun na sat takin achang puiding cheni break up overcome na din kan chun next point na ding chun point number 5. Listen to sad music. Sad music ngai thala poi chak no break up lai chun chu achang pui che ni khan ka sad music ai zuk ti chun chu ing ti na mai zuk shil ding music ala thu anole a music comnisin la sad daw mo lungril nat na la anole break up na la ti vel dam khangai la khang lai ngai khan okay chau kan no ni midang common break up an lo tho ve thau ni heartbreak an lo tho ve thau ni ti na lungril ka hung nei ta chun ala izuk connect tak lem chun chu akar cha chun chap khom chapiti ala sad music ngai khan chap mitli dam tla na ti amiruok chu kha a process ani ti kha I accept angaya kha heartbreak overcome na dinga a process pakhat ve ani ti kha ishi tanga emema chulai chun sad music ngai thala chap top ro apoi thak no chap ro midang khoin hingang harsat na hi hingang lungril nat na hi an lo tu fe thawani hi ti na lungril khana nga khom pi na ta chulai chun sad music ngai kha ami chang pu yani sad music kan chun next point number 6. Accept the past. Ihun lim tat nung ka ani ding ren ani ti na lungril an no le ma apoy no pom team ro ihun lim tat nung ka pom team ro ani na angang khan pom team ro chulai chun past life I ex ingai zong hlui inuk mei hlui ipasal hlui kha ngai dam ro chulai jing chun nang le nang kom in ngai dam apoi mo ebe mani le mani in ngai dam in ngai sit loading in ngai sit chak loading ani mani le mani in ngai dama chun ai exai kom ai ngai dam ngaya chun na sat takin champu ya cha kha past relationship I'm thokhan na sat takin overcome ding kan champu ding cheni I past life ani na ang anga ipom thim chun chu khakhan nasat takin achang puiding chen chun next point na chun chu point number 7. it's okay to still love your ex. Tulay zingtun, i ex ngay zong hui, pasal hui, inung may hui ka. If mangay zing ka, apoy chak no. Lungril takin, ilang mangay zing ka. It's okay. Apoy no, mangay ro. Asan tuk, ka mishim lekan memories in law sima, hun him tak dam in law hong taan. Akumakum damin law in zuya. Alaykan, zuk tay ngil ngal, klakat, nikat gar kat klakat sunga zuk tay ngil. Ngal ka antay no di nga ni Jun akumakum ay law mangay ta, ay law dud mo, ay law ngay sak, ay hun tamlem, ay law pek, tahlak mishim ka. Zuk nam ding koman ni Jun, ilap mangay zing ka apoy chak no ni. It's okay to still love your ex. It will take at least a year, maybe a months and months or years to forget your ex, to really overcome, to really forget, and to really heal from your past life, you know. But you can't do it, you know. So, apoy chak no. Ila pangayzing komin apoy chak no amiruok chu inin cheta ani chun chu you have to move on. Inin cheta ani chun chu ka past life ay tok ka past life ka ifesa na ngay a next step mo step third ikaya ngayon ni tulay chun step third kaya na din chun. Let's come to the point number 8. Meet new person or hang out with new person. Mitam tak ju an ex hayan tingil no leiin. They don't want to rebound or they don't want to move on with the new person. You have to move on, you know. You have to move on from that past life and you have to meet new person. You have to hang out with the new person. You have to accept the rebound and you have to feel good about the rebound. Apoy mo tak ju i-move on makan nang lenang ilungril ingay to na idam masak angay mo ka past life a intokan idam angay itay hilangay ul tapa idam no na ding chun klasaribek kalagel kaya kalaykan michen katsu an ex hayan tay hil tay na dingin in model in relationship tara anluta amiruk chu kaka athanoni asan chu nang le nang idam masak angaya ilungril le ingay tu na idam masak past life ihunlim nunga intokan idam masak angaya chun chu taka idam nung chun chu ilaw dam nung chun move on chu past life a intoka ching taka idam nung chawin ngai zong thar nei ro mo relationship thar lu chu apoy mo mami tam tak chu an russia mo amirok chu lungril dam tak chung sino leikan midangan pasuk buino may move on makan nang lenang idam masak ngai ani diha shit apoy mo mani chun shielding tam taka uma chu khangai apoy mo kati hai ni relationship breakup hi antak nat koman na amiruk chu mi kominan lo tur ni kalaykan tipui no ngai mo hi ngang mi relationship breakup laya in that tidam anole mani sing na lak tidam anole relationship breakup laya nun sitop zule sa atlanlud no may pasal atlanlud lungril dam tak chung silawin chung ang mitu ay umulan kalaykan relationship breakup arin uma amiruok chu ay overcome tayo kaharsat na ay tokan ay humsuk tayo ni hi voice on him tayo nilo ngay tiwa chuding chun apoy mo tak chu mani in mangay nang le nang in mangay ro nang le nang in mangay la in dut la in hoiti zong focus la จนไปมอนมาสตักจนปะทีนกูมาตุนตุปะทีนกูมาอิงกิมอินตุนไอ้ขาดในตัวเราเนาะคมินลัลปันไอ้มาติงคนนี้สิตาอามันมิช่วยตาค่ะ heartbreak ไอ้ในอินทอกคันอามาปะทีนไอ้ในจูลนกไทยนั่นดิ่งอีอาการจังจนลัลปันไอ้มังไงตะไคร้ดามันมิละเปกละกันจุเลยจุนไปมองมาสตักจนปะทีนกูมาจูบลูตาไอ้ฮาร์สนาไฮอินทุนาจุนปะนีนามานีเลมานีอินมังไงมาสักมานีอินมังไงมาสักไปมองอันนี้จุปอจุนิสินลาวิสุนาดิงจุนจุหงชิรออันนอเลชีสานุ่มดามินละเนยนิจุนจูอินดิซองไฮท็อปิกอินดิซองไฮคอมเมนต์นาคันหงชิลุนลาไอหงทอตุ้มไปดิ่งอันนี้จุเลยจุน you can overcome heartbreak he heartbreak he overcome เทียนี่อีหงมักสันเทียนี่เทียนี่ตีเทียนนอร์จุดจุดนี้รอเสียอินเรื่องอินกะลอมเจลบ๊ายบาย